By the end of this video, you will have 5 actionable strategies to start earning today. Welcome to AI Money with Remy. Hello everyone, my name is Remy and I'm super excited to have you here. This channel is dedicated to helping you unlock the power of AI, how to make money online, create amazing content, and discover financial opportunities. From starting AI-powered side hustles to mastering online income strategies. I will show you step by step on how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, and many more to grow your skills and achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to learn, create, and take control of your financial future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Let's get started. How to use ChatGPT to make money online. Are you ready to turn your ideas into income? In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to make real money online. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or building a full-time business, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will have 5 actionable strategies to start earning today. ChatGPT is more than an AI chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can help you create content, automate tasks, and even build new income streams. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced freelancer, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into the top ways to use ChatGPT to make money, starting with freelancing services. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering freelancing services. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with clients looking for help with writing, research, and editing. And ChatGPT make this task a breeze. Example, let's say a client needs a blog post about how AI is changing marketing. You can prompt ChatGPT with write a 1,000-word blog post about how AI is transforming or changing marketing, including 3 examples and a conclusion. Within seconds, you will have a draft ready to edit and submit. So I'm going to put in this prompt into ChatGPT and let's see what it gives us. Voila! This is what it's giving us. You can offer services like blog writing, social media captions, product descriptions, and so on. The best part, you don't need to be an expert writer. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Quick tip, make sure to personalize and refine the outputs to match your client's tone and style. The second way to make money is by creating social media content. Businesses and influencers are always looking for fresh, engaging posts. Example, using ChatGPT, you can generate Instagram captions, script YouTube video intros, write TikTok video ideas. I'm going to input a prompt now for ChatGPT to generate for us. I'm going to write, generate 5 TikTok ideas for promoting a coffee brand. Let's see what ChatGPT will generate for us. Voila! See what is generated for us? You can charge clients for managing their social media content or sell your own pre-made caption templates on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. The third method is affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission for promoting products or services. Example, you can use ChatGPT to write persuasive product reviews, email campaigns, or even create entire blog posts optimized for SEO. I'm going to write a prompt now and see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. I'm going to write me a 500-word review for a budget-friendly gaming laptop. You see what ChatGPT has generated? In seconds, add your affiliate links to the content, share it on your blog or social media, and earn passive income whenever someone makes a purchase. The fourth one is selling digital products. This is my favorite of all times. The fourth way to earn is by selling digital products. You can create ebooks, cheat sheets, or templates with the help of ChatGPT. Example, let's say you want to write an ebook on how to start freelancing. Use ChatGPT to generate chapters, write content, and even come up with a catchy title like The Freelance Hustler's Guide to Success. Once your product is ready, sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, or even on your own website. The best part, you only have to do it once, but it can earn you money forever. 5. Starting a YouTube channel. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to start and grow a YouTube channel. If you're camera shy, no problem. You can create faceless videos with voiceovers or animations. Example, use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Write catchy video titles like 5 AI tools to boost your productivity. Plan your content calendar for the month. Post consistently. Optimize for SEO and use affiliate links in your description to maximize revenue. Now it's your turn. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more money making tips. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Use ChatGPT as your tool, but don't forget to add your unique touch to everything you create. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.